Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to get back the old Windows Photo Viewer on your Windows 10 computer. So perhaps you've updated and you don't like the new Photo Viewer application. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to revert it back by installing a third-party application that will be very similar to it. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but for today's tutorial, I'm going to open up Google Chrome here. And into the search bar up at the top, I'm just going to go ahead and paste in this URL, and I'm going to search for it. So it should take us directly to a download.cnet.com page. Go ahead and select the download button. And it might take a moment to begin, just be patient. And once it has finished downloading, go ahead and open it up to run it. You can close out of the web browser too at this time. And you may just have to give it a moment to launch here. It's going to ask you, you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Go ahead and select yes. Not every application has a publisher. I mean, that's just, if you do enough stuff on the computer, you'll realize that. And it doesn't always make it a bad program. But anyway, welcome to the Restore Windows Photo Viewer for Windows 10 Setup Wizard. This will install Restore Windows Photo Viewer for Windows 10 on your computer. It's recommended you close all their applications before continuing. Click Next to continue or Cancel to exit setup. Go ahead and select Next. Select Next again. Just keep going next. We're going to uncheck the desktop icon option here. And this installs like a normal program, so you can uninstall it too, if you don't like it. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and launch it and select Finish here. So at this point, go ahead and select the Restore Windows Photo Viewer in the bottom left corner of this application. It says Success. In the next screen, please specify Windows Photo Viewer in Default Apps. And go ahead and select OK. It's going to open up our Default Apps section here. So what we are going to do is actually close out of here. Close out of here as well. Select No, and we're going to open up the Start menu. Type in Default Apps. Best result should come back with Default Apps right above System Settings. Go ahead and left click on that to open it up. And go down underneath Photo Viewer. Select the Photo Viewer option here. And whatever shows up, probably will say Photos. Just go ahead and left click on it. And then scroll down where it says Windows Photo Viewer. Just go ahead and left click on that. Okay, so you can see now it appears that it has changed. So just for example, let me go ahead and copy an image I have on my host machine and paste it over here. So you can see my desktop wallpaper right here. So if I go ahead and double click on it to open up the image, you see it'll open up the classic Windows Photo Viewer. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.